Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we will be talking about how to fix error code E3 on the Nest Thermostat. But first, what does error code E3 mean? Error code E3 is a power-related error that occurs when the supply of power from the HVAC system is inadequate to support the thermostat. This issue makes you unable to control the heating and cooling operations in your thermostat. The following are some of the common causes of the E3 error. Loose or damaged wires. The error can occur when the wires connecting the thermostat to the HVAC become loose or damaged. Once the wires transmitting power become defective, the level of voltage transmission declines, causing the error. Low voltage. For the thermostat to operate effectively, an optimum voltage supply of between 24 and 30 volts should be attained. If the required voltage supply is not acquired, the thermostat may encounter malfunctions during operation. HVAC system issues. Any problem that arises in the HVAC system interferes with the normal operation of the thermostat. Some of the problems are like a blown fuse and improper functioning of the control board. These issues may disrupt the supply of power in the thermostat, causing the error code to appear. Now let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the E3 error. Inspect the wires. You can do this by first switching off the HVAC system to avoid electrical hazards like shock. Ensure the wires are securely connected to avoid interruptions. Examine the wires for any visible damages or corrosion. For minor damages on the wire, you can use a wire stripper and electrical tape to repair it. However, in extensive cases, it is advisable to consult a professional for help. Check the power supply. If the power supply is not working appropriately, do the following. Confirm that the circuit breaker is on during use for a consistent flow of power. Ensure that the red power wire has been well secured to the R terminal on the Nest base. Reset the power supply by flipping the breaker off and on again to reset the power supply. Whenever the battery is low, you can charge it using a USB cable for 8 to 10 hours to ensure that there is an adequate power supply all through to avoid interruptions. Add a C wire. If your thermostat is not receiving enough power supply, add a common wire, C wire, to maintain a consistent supply of power to your thermostat. To add a C wire, you should first switch off the HVAC system to avoid accidents before removing the old thermostat. Confirm whether the C wire is present. Check for compatibility between the thermostat and the HVAC system before running the new C wire. Connect one terminal to the HVAC system of the thermostat and the other to the Nest base plate. Thanks for watching.